first, we would like to hear from Zara Shawa, who's from the Global Somali Diaspora.
Okay, good morning. My name is Zara Shirwa. I am the new director of the Global Somali Diaspora Organization. And I wanted to express my gratitude for being here and having the opportunity to represent the extended Global Somali Diaspora family. If I could say a word or two about the organization itself, we are a fairly young organization. It was founded in June of 2014. We strive to unite and mobilize the spread out Somali diaspora, as the name indicates, from the globe, from around the globe. In the short 3.5 years that we have existed, we have managed to open chapters in many parts of the world. I'm stationed in the United States, in the great state of North Carolina, y'all. And we have a chapter in North Carolina, and we have a chapter in Virginia, in, of course, Minnesota, which is the second Somali capital, and in Canada. So we are quite spread out in North America. We have several chapters, including one in the UK, in Europe, and we have some in Australia. And we are expanding and opening new chapters and trying to reach Somalis for two purposes. Number one, we are trying to really work very hard to make sure that Somalis are integrated and a productive, contributing citizens of the countries they live in. We want them to be part of the culture, we want them to take ownership of that citizenship, and we want them to give back to the countries that provided us safe haven and welcomed that into their communities. So we have been outside Somalia long enough to feel mature enough and responsible enough to say that we are giving something back. But we also want to be organized enough that we can participate in the development and the reconstruction and the reconciliation of Somalia. And one of the ways we are doing is by all these people who are returning, bringing in their expertise and their knowledge. And like many of you have already mentioned, we are very visible both in government, in the private sector, and in the business communities. What I really would like to tell you is, as excited as we are about that opportunity, it does not even compare what is in the pipelines. Somali students are being admitted into some of the best universities and colleges around the world. We are competing for educational opportunities. We are competing for jobs. And the prospect of Somalis returning and bringing even more knowledge and even more skills is very bright. And I'm really excited about that. So it is the task of the Global Somali Diaspora to organize all these skills and all these resources and be useful in the countries we live, but also give something back to Somalia.
Thank you very much. Now we'll turn to, just next to you, to Dini Mohammed Dini.